Now let's install Mini App and see how all that works. Okay, let's go to Mini Apps tab here, press it, then press Install App. Select AI Appointment Assistant, our Mini App. And before installing, just go through the guidelines and press install. Good. Press save, and now let's go to Facebook bot. Open your bot. I will just show it on an example of the Facebook bot. We can see that there is a kind of flow, which is a basic flow. To replace it, let's go to template. Now we have to install the template and press install template, replace the bot with the template. Choose the Facebook Messenger template. We will add more later, so you will have templates to all the channels. So, and that's it. Now we can open bot, and you can see that the template has been added to your Facebook Messenger bot. Let's set a connection between your flow and CALEN AI so that we can identify it. For that, you have to open the first step in the flow and add access token there. Access token, we have sent it to you via email. Check your email inbox and copy access token from there and put it right inside CALEN AI and press save. Then go to the next step in the flow where we see the Mini App and add access token there as well. So in general, there are like several places where you need to add this token, so go over there, and those are five places. Follow up 1, then follow up 2, follow up 3. You have to add the same access token everywhere. So once you've done that, we can start testing the bot. But before that, we have to press publish. Let's test it to see how it works. Appointment is booked. Now let's check bot users, name, email, and the appointment date and time, custom fields. So everything works, and if you are on an intelligent plan, all these appointments will be in your Google Calendar as well. That's it.